Hello guys, in your mining video for your mining sites for demonstration. This for Ethereum site we need account of FaucetPay to get payment, or link would be in description. Let's go to our mining site. This is the home page. Also there is other site of Bitcoin and Litecoin in the description. If we go here, we click in start mining. We need the Ethereum address from FaucetPay account. We click in start mining like that, and it's processing your address. This is how it's work for this simple site. Don't invest in any site, just collect some coins, that's all. I don't advise you to invest in any site. Like shown below, wait until connection. We see you must input our let's click in start mining. Have bad connection. We wait until it's get starting. We create a FaucetPay account and we copy our address Ethereum, then we put in our site like shown below. If we click in account dashboard, we see our dashboard. We get 10 gigahertz for free mining. Also for Bitcoin, there is a site for Bitcoin, the same one, and for Litecoin. Daily withdraw to our FaucetPay wallet. Small amount. You collect some coins from this free site. Like shown below. We wait until it's go on. My advice to do not invest in any site. That's all. You use only free ways to collect some money. There is for the moment no trusted site or airdrop to put your money in. If it's a small amount of money, under $1, it's okay, you can take the risk, but I don't advise anyone to get the risk. We wait. This is protected from Cloudflare. We wait until it gets starting. Simply, this is a simple site. It needs review security. This is how it's work. I advise to do not use VPN. Now the site is open, shown below. We wait until the site opening. Sometimes take some seconds to open, like shown below. Waiting. Also there is for Bitcoin and Litecoin, same. You put your address, email, or your address like shown below. This is my power, my earning. Daily profit is 0.5012 Ethereum. If you click in withdraw, we confirm like shown below. Found sent our account Binance, FaucetPay. There is a deposit here. We don't interest in this. There is a bounty program. You can make video or YouTube video or anyone post also to get some power. This is for claim bounty. It's the same for other site. This is the claim bounty, like shown below. You get 100 gigahertz bonus for putting your referral link and make screenshot of your payment, also of uploading a video in social media. This is how it's work. for this site. Also for Bitcoin site it's the same, and for Litecoin don't invest in any one, just take your some coins for free. Like shown below, we have 10 gigahertz power. This is how it's work for this site. Don't forget subscribe to our channel and share the video. See you another mining video.